Hello everyone. So as I told you all that my vlogging camera was coming, so today it is here and I'm so excited. So first let me tell you, I received it after 27 days, 27 long days, and the custom that I had to pay was 618 rupees. So customs, some people get it, some don't. If you are lucky, you will get it cleared from the custom people without paying any custom. So I had to pay 618. So let's unbox this. So by the title you already know which camera this is. So I don't know this, they have put it here. What is this? And it is some kind of glue. So let's unbox it. Don't know what this is, tar or something, I don't know. So from where should I open it? So let's make a cut here. So this is my very first camera that I have bought and I'm so excited. Okay, so they have done a very safe kind of packing here, which is obviously appreciable. So I think the custom people had opened it, that's why that glue and this rope is there. So you can see it. Okay, so here it is. So first thing that I can see is the mic. That was an extra that I ordered. So here it is, SJcam mic. So this was the main reason that I chose this, because I can attach this on my helmet and the outside noises will reduce a little bit and vlogging will become better. So this was the main reason I chose this camera, SJcam. So let's put this aside. So the second thing that I see is the remote watch. So this is for controlling the camera, and let's see how it does. So the next thing is dual battery charger. So I have ordered 2 batteries, so this is for charging both of them at the same time. And now the camera. So they have done the packing pretty nicely so that the components are nicely inside the box and they remain safe while the journey. Ta-da! So let's put this aside, there's nothing more. So here it is, the SJcam SJ6 Legend. So yes, the custom people opened it, so that's why it is like this. And I think this is in pretty good shape. So the specs are 16 megapixel Panasonic camera, 166 degree angle HD wide angle lens. So this shoots in 4K 24 fps interpolated and 2K at 30 frames per second and 1080 at 60-30 frames per second. So let's open it. Okay, what is this? Okay, so this is the 32 GB class 10 card that I ordered to put it in the SJcam. So let's put this aside so I can see it. Here it is. So, okay, so it will open like this. So here it is, so tiny. My God, this is so amazing, man. Okay, so let's see what all there is inside. So these are the, okay, let me first put everything aside. Okay, so this is a mount, and next is charger cable. What is this? Yeah. Okay, so this is the extra battery that I ordered. So they had put it in silver foil so that, I think, to avoid customs and other thing, because batteries are not allowed, I think. So this is the lens cover. This is again some mounts. Now this side. Okay, so this is like a clamp for if you don't want the waterproof housing. So this is for that. Some sticker, some 3M stickers for if you want to take out the mount and want to paste it somewhere else. Again some mounts. So these are some joints. Handlebar mount. Again the joint. So this is what? Touch back door. Okay, so this is for this back door. For the waterproof one, I think. Again some joints. SJcam stickers, manual, and a cleaning cloth. So that's all there inside the box. So let's put the box aside, this foil aside, and let's see what all we have in here. So there's a cleaning cloth. Okay, first let me clean this up. This is what the customs people are like, what they had put that in the black one. So we have a manual, SJcam stickers, this. So this is what all I got in the standard packaging. Okay, so this is what I ordered extra: the dual battery charger, the watch, the extra card, and the last one, the mic. So this was all for the unboxing. And if you wanna, I will be doing one video on my experience of shopping from Aliexpress. So do watch out that video if you are also interested in buying a camera or some other accessories from Aliexpress. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Do hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below what you want to see next, or if you want to ask something about my bike, about some technical issues. So thanks for watching, guys. See you soon later. Thank you.